Hello everybody, I'm Tahina, and today I will be showing you my Ipsy Plus for July. I couldn't even think of what month it was. And I also got the regular Ipsy bag. I'm waiting for it to come. I don't know why it took so long. I did purchase some add-ons, so that might be why it took so long. But here's the box, and there is something going on with the Ipsy Plus. I don't know why it's just the Ipsy Plus. But next month something is changing. But I'm sure like the regular Ipsy bag and the Ultimate will also get changed. Just right now. If you hear that background, that's my cat trying to lay down. But I'm sure they're going to do it for the regular Ipsy and the Ultimate as well, which I'm kind of concerned about depending on what it is. But let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is the bag. And when I seen the pictures of the bag, I didn't realize it was going to be like a plastic material. I thought it was going to be like the regular bag material, but it's actually a plastic, so it's like waterproof. Probably that's probably why they made it this way, because it's supposed to be, you know, when you're traveling. But I do like the bag. I actually want all three of the bags for this month. Okay, so the first item that I received are these moisturizing masks from Mid-Flower. Never heard of them. Okay. So okay, this is stuff that be on the commercial. What is it, CoverGirl or the L'Oreal? Can't remember. And she says it, but she said, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to say hi. I don't know. I'm not even going to bother trying it. But this is the same acid that's in that commercial. If you know what commercial I'm talking about, give this video a like. But yeah, so maybe this mask will actually work, because I've gotten a couple of masks where nothing happens. I've gotten one or two where the it actually makes my skin really soft, and I like that. But I haven't found like a, you know, go-to mask yet. If you hear that in the background, I'm boiling some water. Okay, so the next item that I received is this brow butter pomade kit from Billion Dollar Brows. Can't even say it. Now, I think back in March, I got the, there's like another brow thing from this company. Like a 60-second brow thing. I got that in my March one, and it was so dry I did not like it. So I'm hoping that this one is better than that one, and I got it in taupe. Let's see. Okay, this is softer, so it might actually work. So I will try this out, even though the other one did not work out right. Okay, so the next thing that I got is from Tarte, which is the Sea Surf Curling Volume Mascara. I always get a mascara. I don't think I've ever had a bag or a box where I haven't gotten a mascara. Like, that's almost a guarantee that I would get that. But I've never tried this one though. So I don't have, okay, here's what the wand looks like. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. I don't know, what was I going to say? I don't know what I was going to say. Oh, I know what I was going to say. I don't have a go-to mascara either. I think the best one that I like so far, I think, is by, who is it by? I don't even know. I'll put it up here if I can remember the name of it. Okay, so I'm willing to try that. Here's the item that I actually picked. Okay, and this is from, I'm not even going to say the name because I'm probably going to get it wrong. Okay, and this is some weird packaging. Okay, that's kind of cool though. Okay, and my shade, it's in the shade Newsflash. Okay, how do you open it? Oh, okay. That's kind of weird. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, it's really pretty. I like that. Okay, yeah. I really like that. I'm glad I picked this one. Okay, and then the last item. I've been with Ipsy 6 years. Off and on. Well, not off and on. I only missed a couple of months last fall. But other than that, I've always gotten at least one of the bags. Either a glam bag or the plus. And this is the first time this has ever happened. This last item, and mind you, it was in bubble wrap, got damaged. I've already talked to Ipsy, and they're already sending a replacement out. But this is from Ofra, and it's a highlighter in the shade Glazed Donut. I'm just going to use some of these broken pieces. But they got back to me. Let me do a little more. But they got back to me in like within an hour, I think. I got an email saying we're going to send it right to you. Okay, so I have to wait for the replacement. But that's cool because, you know, they were super fast at getting back to me. So that's everything that I got in my Ipsy Plus. If you want to see what I got in my glam bag, please subscribe, and I will see you next time.